Namaste, motherfucker. Arigato. So you wanna eat raw chicken? I will show you how. This is the best raw chicken for beginners. You are raw chicken noob and you want them noob gains? You come to the right place, my brother or sister. This is a raw chicken tenderloin. Melt in your mouth. We got two ones. We got a large one, we got a small one. Let's start with the small one for the beginners. Attention! You want a raw chicken that's raised with love. Loving family farm, pasture raised or raised by the nature with love. That's the best raw chicken, the best tasting raw chicken. Next, you want the tenderloin because it's easy cut for the beginners. Personally, I already like the better cuts, but tenderloin, good cut for the beginner, understand? Melt in your mouth, very delicious, very good taste. So get a very good raw chicken, made with love, tenderloin. Now, if you wanna make some recipe, some man-made matrix recipe, you can do that. You can have your soy sauce. Raw chicken tenderloin in soy sauce. Very good man-made recipe. You can have your sushi rice. Look at that. Almost look like a salmon. Tastes like a salmon, I tell you then. Very similar to that raw salmon you got in the sushi. So you have your sushi rice there. Where my teeth are right now. You can have that easy. Arigato. Soy sauce, little ginger maybe. That's a good man-made recipe. But I like my raw chicken sashimi style. And I think sashimi means something like natural human food or something like that. My Japanese little rusty, arigato. Excuse me, my Japanese little rusty, but I like my raw chicken sashimi style. But you like sushi style? Whatever style? You can have some. You can have some sushi rice there. You can have little soy sauce. Little wasabi maybe. Ooh. Burn your mouth a little bit. You can have the sashimi. Not the sashimi, wasabi. My Japanese little rusty, arigato, namaste. So, you can have those to make the experience better for beginner. But I just can't help it, it's too good. But I'm already raw chicken master. I'm a raw chicken master level. And one of the master ways to eat the raw chicken, Italian style. You love your spaghetti. Mamma mia. You love your spaghetti. You can have your raw chicken spaghetti with the tenderloins. The thick boys for spaghetti. But this is how you do it. Melts in your mouth. It's already gone. Raw chicken tenderloin. It's tender, I tell you. Tender as your mother. I'm sorry. Very bad sense of humor I have. Very bad. Anyway, we got the big boy. You can have your sauces. You can have your wasabi. You like to burn your mouth a little bit. You can have your sushi rice. Be careful with the arsenic there, but you can have your sushi rice if you want to. I like it sashimi style. The natural human style, I think. You can take this one off if you want. That little tendon. Like this. Didn't work. You can eat the tendon, it's very good. Sashimi style. Very delicate. Melts in your mouth. Look at that. Very melts in your mouth. Super tender. You can have tartar if you like. We do sashimi style. Very good chicken. Delicious raw chicken. Just melts in your mouth. Arigato. Raw chicken makes you fast. Explosive, powerful. Sashimi raw chicken. Oh, very powerful. Ready to take on the day. Simply looking good. Arigato. Bazaimasu.